The latest addition is this modified rope ladder to help the kids get up the hill. I just anchored both points to a ratcheting strap that's anchored into the cement. Now we could have made a rope ladder, but that would have taken a long time for 32 feet to make sure it's secure, so we ended up buying one just from Amazon. It was $120, but it's 32 feet, just the length we needed. Comes with the carabiners, safety rope, so that worked. This will be laying on the ground, so I wanted to make it pleasant to step on, so I decided to get these foam noodles with a slit already cut in them. I just had to do some quick math to decide how many of what kind I needed. The process is pretty simple. You take a foam noodle, just hold it over the length exactly where you want it to cut, and very importantly, remove your thumb. Then I just cut these with a jigsaw. You could use your regular saw if you want, but jigsaw worked pretty great. Then just slide it over the rung. Now you'll want to hold these in place. I would recommend zip ties. Be sure you have a solid anchor point at the top. You can use stakes or strap onto something that's really sturdy like a tree or something. If you missed my last video about how I use billboard vinyls to make this water slide, go check it out. Another thing to mention, I just wrapped the top of the water slide in cinder block so it doesn't slide down. That's all for this update. The kids had a blast. Of course, it's always a great time. Check out my other video if you want to see how I set up the water slide so it works with the water pump. And I recently bought a bigger hose, so we're going to try that with the water pump next time. Subscribe if you like videos like this, and check out some of my other videos. Welcome to Kyler's Studio.